Hello, teacher. Okay, I am going to start with the presentation of the first homework, narratives and rituals. The ritual that I'm going to tell you, I do every day in the mornings when I'm going to leave my son in school. We pray Padre Nuestro, and we make a prayer of thanks to God. At night, I also do it when he goes to bed. However, if there are nights when we forget to do it, but if we do it very often, and in the morning if it is every day. I remember that my mother also towards me this at night. Maybe that's what makes me do it with my son too. Actually, I believe a lot in God. But I do not consider myself completely Catholic. I go to church a few times, and there are things that I do not agree with the church and with the Catholic religion, without which I think that the church is a channel of communication with God, and the prayers that I do continually are also. This ritual, which comes from my parents and from my grandparents, has helped me to understand that the world works thanks to God, that we come to this world to act well, to make mistakes also, to learn, to be happy and grateful. This ritual makes my action according to my values of respect, love, gratitude, honesty, tolerance, and kindness. That is what I want to convey to my son. I do not necessarily seek to transmit a religion, a Catholic religion, but I think that is very important, a communion with God. Inculcate my son values, respect for all others, for the thoughts and actions of the rest, love for people, honesty in their actions, and gratitude for everything we have. This also helps me to understand that Ecuador is a country that has a religious culture. These rituals that I remember from my childhood have made my actions in the world are related to the values inculcated and have taught me to see the world from that perspective, which I consider as something positive, since it has been like a compass in my life. That's why I want to convey the same to my son. That's it. Thank you. Thank you very much.